sleep tracking without the wristband, heart rate and oxygen monitoring without the bulky screen, that's the CIRCUL ring for you. Instead of dominating your wrist, it slips quietly onto your finger, offering a subtle, discreet way to track your health around the clock, while never interfering with your life. Unboxing the CIRCUL ring is refreshingly simple. There is no overcomplicated packaging or unnecessary filler. Inside the box, you'll find the ring itself, a neat charging dock, a Type-C cable, and straightforward instructions. The ring is lightweight and comfortable, designed to be worn continuously without the bulk of a traditional watch. And with the world's first adaptive sizing technology, it covers 13 sizes for all ages. So whether you gain weight or if your fingers swell, if you're younger or old, the ring will always fit perfectly. It's an amazing feature. Moving on, when it comes to features, the CIRCUL ring does more than you might expect from such a small device. 24/7 medical grade SpO2 and blood oxygen monitoring, high precision heart rate tracking, second by second health data collection, professional level sleep analysis, and advanced sleep apnea detection. So whether it's heart rate, blood oxygen levels, blood pressure estimates, sleep quality, stress, or even energy levels, by sitting on your finger, the CIRCUL ring captures data more reliably than many wrist-based trackers. Day-to-day use is really where the CIRCUL ring shows its strength. The battery holds up impressively, lasting anywhere from 3 to 7 days on a single charge, depending on how much you use it. When it does need power, recharging couldn't be simpler. Just place it on the dock and good to go again in no time. Once it's on your finger, the ring almost disappears into daily life. It doesn't interrupt you with constant notifications or demand attention. It just works quietly in the background, collecting health data while you go about your day. The real magic happens in the companion app, which pulls everything together. Unlike other health platforms that bury you under endless graphs and paywalls, CIRCUL keeps things clean and accessible. There are no hidden subscription fees, every feature is included with your purchase. Plus, you get free firmware updates and lifetime access to your health data. Syncing between the ring and the app is quick and reliable, avoiding the annoying connection hiccups that many wearables struggle with. Hence, the CIRCUL ring is worth considering if you value a discreet, comfortable health tracker that delivers the essentials: heart, sleep, oxygen, stress in a form factor that feels natural to wear. Additionally, the strong battery performance and user-friendly app make it even easier to integrate into your daily life. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, مع السلامة.